Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I am wonderful today, and do you know why?
Why?
Because the weather is beautiful. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. It is warm, but not too hot. A perfect day.
Yes, I agree. I went for a walk this morning. The air was so fresh, I could feel the warm sun on my face.
That sounds lovely. And you, Jake, how are you today?
I am great, but I was not great yesterday.
Oh no, why not?
Because yesterday it rained all day. I stayed home, I looked out the window, and I said, "Rain, please stop."
Did the rain listen to you?
No, the rain did not listen to me. Not at all.
Well, speaking of rain and sunshine, that is actually our topic today.
Really? Weather?
Yes, today we are talking about weather and the 4 seasons.
Sunshine, rain, and 4 seasons. I love this topic.
It is a very useful topic. We talk about the weather every day, in every language. But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. Okay, Jake, let me ask you a question. What is the weather like today?
What is the weather like? It is nice.
Yes, it is nice. But in English, we have many special words to describe the weather. Let's learn them together.
Okay, I am ready.
The first one is sunny.
Sunny. That means the sun is shining, right?
Exactly. Sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. When the sky is clear and the sun is bright, we say it is sunny. Like today. Today is a sunny day.
I love sunny days. Sunny makes me feel happy.
Me too. Now the next word is cloudy.
Cloudy, like clouds in the sky.
Yes, cloudy. C-L-O-U-D-Y. When there are many clouds, we say it is cloudy. You cannot see the sun. The sky is gray.
Yesterday was very cloudy before the rain started.
Good example. And that brings us to the next word, rainy.
Rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Water falls from the sky.
Perfect. When it rains, we say it is a rainy day. And on rainy days, you need an umbrella.
Umbrella? What is an umbrella?
An umbrella is a thing you hold over your head. It keeps the rain off you. You open it up when it rains. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A.
Oh, I know umbrellas. I have 3 umbrellas at home.
3. Very prepared.
But I always forget to bring them. They stay at home and I stand in the rain, wet.
3 umbrellas and you still get wet. That is very Jake.
The umbrellas are safe and dry at home. I am wet outside. We have different lives.
Okay, the next word is windy.
Windy. That means lots of wind?
Yes, windy. W-I-N-D-Y. When the air moves fast, it is windy. The wind blows your hair. It can blow your hat away.
I don't like windy days. The wind is cold and my hair looks terrible after.
And the last weather word for today, snowy.
Snowy. S-N-O-W-Y. White snow falls from the sky.
Yes, when snow falls, we say it is snowy. The ground becomes white, everything looks clean and beautiful.
I love snow. When it snows, the world becomes quiet. Everything is white. It's like magic.
That is a beautiful way to describe it, Jake. Okay, now let me teach you a very important question. You want to ask about the weather. In English, you say, "What is the weather like?"
What is the weather like? Not, how is the weather?
Both are correct. You can say, "What is the weather like today?" Or you can say, "How is the weather today?" Both are fine.
Good. Let me try. What is the weather like today, Judy?
Today it is sunny and warm. The sky is blue, not a cloud in the sky.
And what was the weather like yesterday?
Yesterday, it was cloudy and rainy, very different from today.
I love this question. I can use it every day.
Yes, and here's something interesting. In English-speaking countries, people love to talk about the weather.
Really? Why?
Because it's easy. Everyone can see the weather. Everyone has something to say about it. It's a safe topic, perfect for starting a conversation.
So if I meet someone new, I can say, nice weather today.
Exactly. Or you can say, beautiful day, isn't it? People will smile and talk to you.
The weather is my new secret for making friends.
It works every time. Now, let's talk about the 4 seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. Do you know them, Jake?
Yes. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Perfect. Let's start with spring.
Spring. I like spring a lot.
Spring is the season after winter. The weather becomes warmer, the days become longer, and flowers start to bloom.
Bloom. What does bloom mean?
Bloom means flowers open up. They show their colors. Pink, yellow, white, purple. The garden is full of life again. Bloom. B-L-O-O-M.
The flowers bloom in spring. That is a beautiful word.
In spring, everything turns green. The trees get new leaves, the grass grows tall again, birds come back and sing.
And the temperature in spring is mild, right, Judy?
Very good. Mild, M-I-L-D. Mild means not too hot and not too cold. Very comfortable. Spring weather is mild.
I love mild weather. You don't need a big coat, just a light jacket, or maybe no jacket at all.
In spring, you can go for walks in the park, you can ride a bicycle, you can sit outside and enjoy the fresh air.
But in spring, it also rains sometimes, right, Judy?
Yes, spring can be rainy. In English, we have a saying, April showers bring May flowers. It means the rain in spring helps the flowers grow.
April showers bring May flowers. I like that. The rain is not bad. The rain helps.
What do you do in spring, Jake?
In spring, the first thing I do, I open all my windows. After a long winter, the fresh air comes in. It smells so good, like new grass and flowers. That first day of warm air, it is the best.
I love that feeling too. The first warm day of spring, you open the window, close your eyes, and just breathe in.
The whole world is waking up, and I am waking up with it.
Beautiful. Now the next season, summer.
Summer, my favorite season.
Summer is the hottest season. The sun is very strong. The days are very long.
In summer, I eat ice cream every day.
Every day?
Every single day, sometimes twice a day. Morning ice cream and afternoon ice cream.
Morning ice cream. That is a new one.
Don't judge me, Judy. Ice cream is happy food.
I cannot argue with that. In summer, the weather is hot and sunny. People go to the beach. They swim in the sea. They wear shorts and t-shirts.
And sunglasses. Very cool sunglasses.
Yes, sunglasses protect your eyes from the sun, and a hat protects your head from the heat.
In summer, I also like to have barbecues. A barbecue is when you cook food outside, on a grill. Meat, vegetables, corn on the fire. Very delicious.
Barbecue. B-A-R-B-E-Q-U-E. That is a wonderful summer activity. Friends and family together, good food, warm evening.
The only problem with summer, it is sometimes too hot. I sweat a lot.
Sweat, everyone. Sweat means water comes from your body when you are very hot. S-W-E-A-T. On hot days, we all sweat.
Yes, I sweat. My shirt is wet. I need a new shirt every 2 hours.
On very hot days, you can say it is boiling. Not really boiling like water in a pot, but it means very, very hot.
It is boiling outside. I like that word. Boiling. Very dramatic.
English people love to say this in summer. Oh, it is boiling today. Okay, the third season is autumn.
Some people say fall, right?
Great point, Jake. Yes, in British English, we say autumn, A-U-T-U-M-N. In American English, many people say fall. Both are correct.
Fall, because the leaves fall from the trees.
Exactly. That's why people call it fall. In autumn, the leaves change color. Green becomes yellow, orange, and red. It is very, very beautiful.
I love walking in the park in autumn. The ground is covered with colorful leaves, and when you step on dry leaves, they make a crunching sound.
Crunching, yes. Dry leaves crunch under your feet. That is one of the best sounds.
The weather in autumn is cool. Not cold yet. Cool, right?
Yes, cool means a little bit cold, but still comfortable. You need a jacket, not a big, heavy coat. Just a light jacket, or maybe no jacket at all.
In autumn, I also like to drink a lot of hot tea every morning, every evening, and hot chocolate too.
In autumn, people also harvest food. Harvest means to collect crops from the farms. Harvest. Farmers harvest apples, pumpkins, and grapes.
Pumpkins. I love pumpkin soup in autumn. Hot, orange, and delicious.
Autumn food is wonderful. Warm soups, fresh apples, cinnamon tea, and the air outside smells like earth and fallen leaves.
Yes, autumn has a special smell. You walk outside and you know, this is autumn.
Every season has its own smell. Spring smells like flowers, summer smells like sunscreen, autumn smells like earth, and winter smells like hot chocolate.
Judy, you are a poet today.
Weather makes me poetic. And now, the last season, winter.
Winter, the cold one.
Winter is the coldest season. The days are short, it gets dark early. In many places, it snows.
In winter, I wear many layers. A t-shirt, then a sweater, then a coat, then a scarf around my neck, a hat on my head, and gloves on my hands.
Layers. Everyone, layers means many pieces of clothing, one on top of the other. Wearing layers is the best way to stay warm in winter.
I look like a big round ball when I go outside in winter. I cannot move my arms.
A walking ball with a scarf. I can see it.
But inside my home, it is warm and cozy. Remember cozy from our home episode?
Yes, cozy, warm and comfortable. Winter is the coziest season for being at home.
In winter, I stay home a lot. I drink hot chocolate, I sit on my sofa, under my blanket, watching movies.
That sounds very familiar, Jake.
My blanket and I have a very strong relationship in every season, but especially in winter. We are very close.
In winter, you can also do fun activities outside. Some people go skiing on mountains, some people go ice skating.
And you can make a snowman. You roll big balls of snow. You stack them, big one on the bottom, small one on top. You put a carrot for the nose, 2 stones for the eyes.
Building a snowman is so much fun, especially with children.
But my fingers get so cold, freezing.
Freezing. Everyone, freezing means very, very cold. When it is very cold outside, you can say it is freezing, the opposite of boiling.
So in summer, we say it is boiling. And in winter, we say it is freezing. I love these words.
They are very useful and very fun to say.
It is boiling. It is freezing. Very dramatic, very English.
So, Jake, after talking about all 4 seasons, which one is your favorite?
That is a hard question. I love summer for the ice cream and the barbecues. I love autumn for the beautiful colors and the crunching leaves. But I think my favorite is spring.
Spring. Why spring, Jake?
Because after a long, cold winter, spring gives you hope. Everything comes back to life. The flowers bloom, the birds sing again, the warm air comes back. It feels like a new beginning, a fresh start.
That is a beautiful answer, Jake. Really beautiful. For me, my favorite season is autumn.
Autumn? Why autumn, Judy?
I love the colors, the red and orange and golden leaves on the trees. I love the cool, fresh air, and I love autumn food. Pumpkin soup, apple pie, warm cinnamon tea. Autumn feels peaceful to me.
Peaceful autumn. I can understand that. So Judy loves autumn and I love spring.
Every season is special. Every season has something beautiful to offer.
Even winter?
Even winter. Think about the first snow, the white trees, a warm fire inside your home, hot chocolate in your hands.
You always know how to make everything sound wonderful, Judy.
That is because every season has its beauty. You just have to look for it. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about weather and the 4 seasons.
Yes, first we learned weather words: sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and snowy.
And we learned to ask, what is the weather like today? A perfect question for small talk.
Then we talked about the 4 seasons: spring, flowers bloom, mild weather, April showers.
Summer, hot and sunny, ice cream, barbecues, and boiling days.
Autumn, colorful leaves, cool air, harvest time, and pumpkin soup.
Winter, cold, snowy, cozy nights, layers of clothes, and freezing weather.
Boiling in summer, freezing in winter. My 2 new favorite words.
We also learned many useful words today: umbrella, bloom, mild, sweat, harvest, layers, and freezing.
I learned a lot today, Judy.
Me too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was a wonderful conversation today.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what is your favorite season and why? For example, my favorite season is autumn because I love the colorful leaves.
We would love to read your answers. Spring, summer, autumn, or winter? Tell us.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.